see y'all afros. Yes, Ariana.
We're about to sing a song called For Women, written by Nina Simone. The song basically describes 4 different black women, and we're going to represent those black women tonight.
My skin is black, and my arms are long. My hair is woolly, and my back is strong. Strong enough to take the pain inflicted again and again. What do they call me? My name is Aunt Sarah. Aunt Sarah. My skin is yellow. Yes. My hair is long. Between 2 worlds,
Yes.
I do belong. My father was rich and white. He fought my mother late one night. What do they call me? My name's Sophronia. My skin is tan, my hair is fine, my hips might invite you, Daddy, my mouth like wine. Whose little girl am I? Anyone who has money to buy. What do they call me? My name is Sweet Thing. Sweet Thing.
Go ahead, April.
My skin is brown. My manners is tough. I'll kill the first man I see. And my life has been rough. I'm a sleeping dog this day because my parents was late. What do they call me?
Aunt Sarah.
What do they call me?
Sophronia.
What do they call me?
Sweet Thing.
What do they